remain seated, gathering our energy, bringing the hands to the floor, and setting up Malasana, Yogi Squat. As you're ready, you can carry your hands to Namaste and focus your attention on the root chakra. Sense, see, and feel that there is a grounding cord moving from the base of your spine down through the layers of the earth. Let your hips and your feet create a strong and stable foundation. Feel the earth beneath you. The root chakra represents safety, steadiness, and a powerful foundation. Every inhalation, you can elongate your spine, and every exhalation, drop down and feel gravity hugging you towards Mother Earth. Continue to breathe deeply into this strength and support. Beautiful. Let's move on to the second chakra and supported Supta Baddha Konasana, or butterfly pose. Set up your blocks. One is tall, one is shorter and wider. Place the bolster on top, and then when you're ready, lay down. The soles of your feet can come together and your knees open wide, as do your arms, like butterfly's wings. The second chakra holds creativity, emotions, and flow. This is where our reproductive organs and the associated hormones live in our bodies. You can place your hands on your lower abdomen, and as you breathe into this space, imagine soft waves, steady, fluid, resilient. Slow your breath down. As you slow your breath down, slow your thoughts down. And let's transition to the third chakra, the solar plexus, Manipura. We move into a supported twist, simply laying down on your side like Sleeping Beauty and feeling the abdominal muscles. Good. This is the seat of your power, your confidence, your boundaries. Feel your spine wringing out any tension. And as you're ready, simply swivel your legs over to the other side. Laying down once again and recreating the shape. When we wring out the tension, when we alleviate any stress in the body, we create space for clarity and purpose. What is it that you would like to invite in to this power center in your belly? Breathe it in right here, right now. From here, we move up to the heart chakra, Anahatasana. You can place your blocks on top of your bolster. Take your upper arms onto your blocks. Let your forehead be softly supported by the bolster. And if it's comfortable, you can bring your hands together behind your neck. Feel your heart melting down towards Mother Earth. This center invites in the feeling of compassion, especially for your own tender heart. Let the breath expand across your chest like wings opening wide. And something I like to do in this pose is to simply send a little bit of love to someone who needs it today. Breathe. Good. And from the heart, we move up to the throat, Vishuddha Chakra. For this, we will be moving into supported fish pose. So you can take your block, set it up so that it will support your shoulder blades, and I like to use a blanket for my head. Feel the chest elevated, and let there be a sense of spaciousness across the collarbones. Lengthen your neck, and gently open the throat. So you can breathe through the mouth at any time, but we really want to create length and space in the front of the neck so that your voice feels free, free to express your truth, free to share that which matters to you. With each breath, imagine clearing this channel so that your words align with your values. If it feels better to bend the knees, simply know that that is an option. But we really want to feel that sense of opening through the throat. Very nice. Let's easily come all the way up, and we are preparing for a seated position. I like to sit on a block to have some support for my spine, but feel free to sit on the floor, bringing the hands together at the third eye, the Ajna chakra. This particular energy center represents our internal vision, the vision beyond what we see with our eyes. This is your intuition, your insight, and your deep knowing. Your intuition will provide wisdom and clarity, and it is always speaking and revealing through images. Breathe into this space of awareness and what is being revealed to you right here, right now. Good. And then finally, we will be moving into a very similar shape. I like to move into half lotus or full lotus. Get comfortable, and we're going to be taking the attention to the crown. If it serves, you can lift your arms up towards the sky, to all that is, and imagine a light lifting through the crown of your head. This is your connection to your purpose, your soul's path, to the sacred. And now feel yourself aligned from root to crown, clear, calm, and powerful. If it serves, you can allow the mantra, "I am free," to settle into your mind and your heart. Namaste.